Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going behind the scenes of artificial intelligence. We will uncover how AIs like ChatGPT, Midjourney or Google Gemini are actually trained. Ever wondered how a bunch of code suddenly becomes intelligent? Or how AI can write essays, draw art, or predict what you will type next? By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how machines learn from data, the different stages of training, and even the human role in teaching AI. Let's dive right in. First, what does training AI even mean? Imagine you're teaching a kid how to recognize fruits. You show them hundreds of pictures of apples and bananas and tell them which is which. Over time, they start recognizing the patterns. Apples are red and round, bananas are yellow and curved. That's exactly what happens in AI training. AI doesn't think like us, it just finds patterns in data using math. When we say training an AI, we mean feeding it tons of data and letting it adjust its internal rules to predict or generate correct answers. It's like training a muscle. The more data it gets, the more stronger and more accurate it becomes. Training AI does not happen instantly. There are multiple steps before that. First, the step 1 data collection. Everything starts with the data, the fuel for AI. For example, ChatGPT was trained on massive text data from books, websites, articles, and even the code. Image AIs like DALL-E or Stable Diffusion are trained on millions of labeled images. Voice AIs use thousands of hours of recorded speech. But not all data is good data. Engineers have to clean it, removing spams, bias, personal info, or offensive content. So, step 1 is collecting and cleaning massive datasets, often measured in terabytes or even petabytes. Step 2 building the model. Now, think of the model as the brain of the AI, a structure made up of artificial neurons, just like the human brain has real ones. This structure is called a neural network. Each neuron is a simple math function that takes numbers, does calculations, and passes them on. When we connect billions of these neurons, we get what is called a deep neural network. And when it is really huge, it is a large language model, LLM, like GPT. So data goes in, neurons do the math, output comes out. But at first, the AI knows nothing. It starts making random guesses. Step 3 learning from mistake. Here is where the magic happens. During training, the AI is given examples and asked to make predictions. For example, what is the next word in this sentence? What object is in this image? If it is wrong, it adjusts its internal connections using a process called backpropagation. Basically, it corrects itself over and over again. It does this millions or even billions of times until the predictions start becoming accurate. It's like trial and error at lightning speed. This is why AI training requires supercomputers with thousands of GPUs working for weeks or months. Step 4 fine tuning. After the base model is trained, it's like the student who has read every book on the internet but still doesn't know how to behave properly. So we fine tune it. Fine tuning means training the AI agent on specific high quality datasets to make it better at certain tasks like chatting, coding, or following instructions. For example, ChatGPT was fine tuned on conversations. Medical AIs are fine tuned on health records securely and ethically. It's like sending the AI to finishing the school. Step 5 the human feedback. Now, this is where humans step in again in a process called reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF. Real people review AI responses and rate them good, bad, or better. Then the model learns to give more humans like helpful answers. Example humans write a polite email. AI gives three versions. Human rates the best one. AI learns, oh, this is what polite means. This step is why ChatGPT feels conversational and not robotic. Step 6 evaluation and safety. Before releasing an AI, companies test it for accuracy, bias or offensive output, hallucination like wrong answers, and security vulnerabilities. They keep adjusting until it is reliable enough for public use. Even then, AI keeps getting updates and retraining cycles to improve over time, like software updates, but smarter. And step 7, deployment and continuous learning. Once the model is good to go, it is deployed into apps like ChatGPT, Google Bird, or Copilot. Some AIs continue learning after deployment using user feedback or new data. Others stay static until retrained. Modern AIs also use techniques like transfer learning, using old knowledge to learn new tasks faster. Retraining method, adding fresh data to stay up to date. It's like how we learn from new experiences every day. So, what is the future of training? AI training is evolving fast. We are moving towards multimodal AIs that can understand text, images, sound, and video together. Also, researchers are working on efficient training methods that need less data, less energy, and produce more trustworthy results. The goal is not just smart machines, it is responsible, ethical, and useful AI that helps the humanity. So that's how AIs are trained, from massive data to smart models that power your favorite apps. If this helped you to understand how AI learns, drop a thumb, share it with a friend, and hit that bell button to stay ahead in the AI world. Stay curious, stay creative, and I will see you in the next video.